In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter setup in Windows 11. We are talking about the BIOS or UEFI setup, where you control low-level hardware options like boot order and secure boot. We will use the method that starts from inside Windows so you do not have to time any key presses during startup. First, click the Start button. You will usually see it at the bottom center or bottom left of your screen. When the Start menu opens, look for the Settings icon and click it. The icon looks like a small gear. After you click, the Settings window opens, usually in the middle of your desktop, with a list of categories on the left. Next, in that Settings window, look at the left side and select System. From the System section, find and click Recovery on the right pane. The Recovery page shows several sections, including recovery options with items like Reset this PC and Advanced Startup. Stay on this page for the next step. Now go to the Advanced Startup section on this recovery page. Under Advanced Startup, click the button labeled Restart Now. Windows shows a small pop-up asking if you really want to restart now. Confirm that choice. Once you confirm, Windows signs you out and the screen turns dark for a moment, then you see a message that it is restarting. After your computer restarts, you will land on a blue recovery screen. This screen has a large title that usually says Choose an Option, with several big buttons. Here you are no longer in the normal desktop, so your mouse cursor may feel slightly different. Take a moment to read the options so you do not click the wrong one. From this blue screen, select Troubleshoot. The Troubleshoot tile is usually in the middle and has a Tools-style icon. Once you click it, the next screen appears with a heading that also says Troubleshoot. Under that, you will see more tiles, including Reset this PC and Advanced Options. This tells you that you are in the right place to reach firmware settings. On the Troubleshoot screen, select Advanced Options. The Advanced Options screen lists several tools such as Startup Repair, Command Prompt, and UEFI firmware settings. Each tile has a short description. The one we need leads straight into the firmware setup, without any extra menus. Now choose UEFI firmware settings from that list. Click it once. A new screen appears with a brief explanation that your PC will restart into the UEFI firmware settings. You may also see your device name or model here. This step tells Windows to hand control over to the built-in firmware interface on the next restart. Finally, click Restart on that UEFI firmware settings screen. Your computer reboots again, but this time it does not load Windows. Instead, it opens directly into the BIOS or UEFI setup screen, usually with your motherboard or laptop logo at the top and several hardware menus available. You have now entered the BIOS or UEFI setup from Windows 11 without touching any keys during power on. If this walkthrough helped you reach your firmware setup, please give the video a quick thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more clear Windows tutorials.